Meaning of drumbeat.
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 Drumbeat. A drumbeat is a rhythmic pattern produced by striking a percussion instrument, typically a drum. It can be used to create a steady beat for music, or as a form of communication in certain cultures. The sound of a drumbeat has a grounding and energizing effect, and can be used to enhance group cohesion and focus. Additionally, the term drumbeat is often used figuratively to describe a persistent, repetitive message or argument that is used to promote or support a particular idea or agenda.